Kuya, video ko lang para sa anak ko yung elevator. Hi, baby. This is an elevator here. You said this one is different. So, this is the elevator here, okay? And then later on, mommy will go inside. Saan siya na po? Trip niya po elevator.
Tagal na elevator.
There's tayo?
Hindi, okay lang po. I don't know which elevator will open. There's a lot here. As you can see, you don't want to come with me, eh, ikaw. See? There you go, anak. I'm on the 31st floor. There you go. That's going up, but mom is going down. So I need to wait up. Still need to wait.
Hey, ilang tao sa what? Wala na.
Going up again. Most of them is all going up.
Tayo na pa yun. Oo. February yung ano na.
There you go. It's going down.
Hindi, nag-gis na sila. Pati tayo kasama doon. Sinama ako eh.
See this one, anak? I don't know what are you referring for?
Oo.
Saan floor?
Ay, wala di wala. Ako tatlo. Ay, dalawang grupo yun.
There, anak. There's another one there.
Si Ma'am Bill yun, saka si Ma'am Minda.
Don't know what you're referring to,
Pero tumawag
but
tayo
this
si
is
Mami.
all I see here.
Ma'am, sa'yo na lang.
Thank you.
Tapos ganito magabi.
Is this?
Tapos,
Angel Iris na ano. Mga siguro bagay na yun. Yung bagay.
ayun. Hindi ko patla na eh. Pero isa lang nangyayari yung... Sa...
Sinarwal mo na yun ba?
Hindi. Nagman lang. Di ba nag-audit tayo? Ginawa.
Kita ka nga eh.
No.
There, I'm on the 8th floor already.
Gusto.
2 more floors, then I'm going out.
Wala sa kabila.
This is where I'm going now. Excuse me po. Okay, that's it. Here, I'm already here. So this is all the elevators. I hope you're happy. I already have it videoed, okay? Bye, love you.